Centuria Capital Group is a ASX 200 listed real estate funds management company with over $21 billion of funds under management. We have listed and unlisted products across the Australian and New Zealand markets. More specifically, we invest into office, industrial, healthcare, retail and agricultural assets. I'm the Senior Portfolio Manager for the office and agricultural assets with 85 assets under management. Tenants want sustainable, modern workplaces, whereas investors would like to have assets with a high degree of ESG credentials. And my role is to ensure that we implement, improve and uphold the ESG credentials to a high standards. Centuria started rolling out solar on its office buildings around 2018-19 through normal CapEx programs on our rooftops. Since that time, we've partnered with Agile Energy to look at installing solar through a procurement method of power purchase agreements. We've found that that's the most economic means to install solar on our rooftops for the purpose of providing power to our common area usage. Our tenants trust Centuria to give them effective, sustainable energy solutions. Whether it be renewing tenants or existing tenants, they require us to put solar on our buildings that has really resonated with their own corporate solutions around sustainable energy. We have been working with Agile Energy to look at their supply chain, which helps us look at our anti-modern slavery initiatives. It's great to work with a partner like Agile that shares the same transparency as us. The energy grid seems to be through a state of flux over the next 10 years. Governments across all levels are wanting people and wanting the market to bring in more sustainable energy resources. The forecasts of traditional energy costs seem to be unabating, so for Centuria to find alternative solutions makes sense to us. And Agile provide us with that alternative. At Centuria, we're here to maximise our investors' returns. The traditional upfront capital expenditure budget has worked in the past. However, having a nil CapEx option at the outset with Agile has provided us to enjoy the power purchase agreement solution. The fact that Agile own, maintain and insure the equipment on our buildings was also another added interest for Centuria. More and more these days, tenants and businesses around Australia are very conscious about their carbon footprint. Through adding solar onto our buildings, we're able to reduce our tenants' emissions and their carbon footprint, specifically when it comes to Scope 1, 2 and 3 targets. The demand for low carbon energy is only going to increase, with investors and tenants looking to reduce their carbon emissions. Being able to provide on-site renewable energy will help our tenants and our investors reduce their emissions. In addition to that, it will see us move forward to the next evolution of the office portfolio. Agile Energy provide a turnkey solution to office portfolio. There is scope to scale with this rollout, which is something that appealed to us.